I got it.
Yellow. Something.
Look, come here.
With red, blue, white.
Sparkle?
Willow tree.
Well, if we put this on YouTube.
I can.
Okay.
But I have to sign into my account.
Look. Am I good or what?
I don't know. Just don't talk. You can go in the video. He can't hear this from across town, can he? Just about everything going on around here.
There. Look. Put on YouTube. I want to see it. Is that it?
Trained or something. No.
Oh, never mind. I take it back.
Whoa.
o3o. You know this is going to be on YouTube? Okay, my arms are getting tired. I can't hold it much. I can't hold it. Here, there.
You gotta do this, that's all.
Do you want to show ourselves?
No.
Okay. We'll just talk. Star?
Looks like a face from this.
Sort of. My turn?
No, I'm gonna do it until I'm tired. Which is probably never.
Yeah. It looked like a bunny. The inside's not pretty.
That's her opinion.
I know.
Same for a baby. Well, toddler, I should say. Boom.
Boom.
Oh.
What time is it?
I don't know.
I don't know. If something was awake, he would be scared.
If he was out here,
Yeah.
Santiago would be dead.
Yeah, he would. Oh.
He'd be deaf.
Really? What? Ka-cham!
It's like, yeah! Here it comes.
No, that was Shirley.
Oh no, that was like, yeah, that's Shirley.
So hard to keep track of where they're gonna go. Explode.
Let me do it. Let me do it.
No.
Uh,
I got a better shot than you.
Screw you.
It's so cool on like the screen. Oh. Listen closely, you can hear music.
Awesome. Oh yeah, I hear music.
If you listen closely enough. Boom. So not fireworks. You're not gonna compete. You're gonna fail. Jesus, it's already 5:46 long.
About like 10 o'clock, I just like pass out.
Oh my god, person. That's like an army one.
What time is it? 9 something. Oh, very cool.
There's some over there too.
I know, they're trying to compete.
A champ.
A competition.
I hear music. Get over there.
Josh? Get over here. Sasha, stay. Stay, right?
Try and go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Whoa!